Hello and welcome to the Simcast tutorial video. This part of the tutorial video we're going to be talking about downstreaming. Downstreaming, what is it and how does it work? Well, in Simcast Studio, anything that we downstream is downstreamed onto the program out. Program out being the final footage which will be viewed by the end user, whether it's live broadcast or recorded. So for example, let's downstream a clock here. So we simply click the clock and it means our clock is downstreamed. It's like an overlay on top of the program out. No matter what we, for example, switch, the downstream remains exactly where it's supposed to be. It has no effect, so we can continuously just keep switching between both, and you'll see our clock remains in the exact place. We can as equally downstream the video player, our logo, virtual sets, amongst all the items that you see here: cameras 1 to 4, images 1 to 2, logo, players 1, video players 1 and 2, and 3 virtual sets, a multi-camera view, and as we can go to black, which is usually done at the end of production. We can just simply hit the black button and we go to black. So we respect of whatever is switched when you go to black will remain there. So you might have noticed a couple of the items that we downstreamed there were in various different places. Well, of course they can be resized and moved to exactly where you want. So for example, we'll take maybe player 1. We go to the video player. By right clicking the menu, we can see it here. We can move it around where it's going to be located. We can resize it, kind of give a little rectangle shape there, and sure, we'll leave it up here on top. That's simple. That's how you do it. And now if we turn back on player 1 and the downstream, we should see it exactly where we wanted it to be. I'll just make that a bit clearer. So effectively, this is downstreaming in Simcast Studio. Also, wanted to point out to you that the clock itself can have it can be changed completely, as well as resized and positioned. So for example, we could change the back color of the clock, and we could do so by just right clicking in the menu and select and change the back color of it. We make it kind of a dark blue in this particular case, and it's that simple. We can see the clock has changed on the downstream and allows us to put in various colors and fonts on the clock. So that's pretty much downstreaming in Simcast Studio. It's quite simple and powerful. And again, I'd like to say thank you for watching the tutorial video, and if you watch this from another source, our website is www.simtouch.eu. Thank you and goodbye.